Hello everybody, welcome back to the Three Waffle Dogs, and today I will be giving you a video of behind the scenes, a little bit of how I make my Mario Maker levels, of course, for my friend to play. So yeah, you have all the materials and the nice course, but the thing is, the courses get so many changes because I have to actually play them, because I gotta figure out if they're actually too hard or if it's actually doable. So let's go in. Wait, oops. So first you start off, you swim up here, and you wait for the bullet bills, and you die. That already seems impossible. Nothing is impossible though, I think. Okay. Oh. So I'm thinking something here. I don't like these two. So if you're waiting here for this bullet bills to go, and then these two bullet bills that are here would just boom shoot you, then that's just impossible. Well, impossible, not possible, because you couldn't. Because if you stand down here, the bullet bills here would attack you again. So that would make it impossible. So let's try it out. Oops. Okay. We wait here. And those things shoot. Oh, okay, okay. I'm just forgetting how I made it. Okay. Oh, shoot that way. Nice. You wait down here. Please. Button mash. Okay. Oh. Oh, I'm doing pretty good. I didn't press anything. I don't know how I died. It must be a bug or something, because we gotta change that. Let's see. For speaking of my friend who's not really good at Mario Maker, we're just gonna leave some safety stuff, tips, and okay. Oh, those spikes are brutal. Go here. Wait for the massive enemy spam. Let's go. Good. Yeah, we got you that one. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Fair. Go. I don't even know what happened. Okay. That's tricky. Okay. Oh. So, I know you guys thinking, oh, well, every time I die, I just gotta make it fixed, right? The thing is, I just spammed enemies and spikes. So this level is because no level Mario Maker is fun with just enemies and spikes. So that's why I thought, just let me change it. Because you saw how many spikes there was at the starting. Yeah. I think that's good. And I had to cheat, I'm sorry. Okay, go up here. Okay, we're fine. We're not fine. Okay. Yes, it takes a lot of effort to make these levels. So I hope you guys enjoy me or my friends making these levels. I mean, not making, well, playing these levels, because we enjoy playing it, and we hope you two do too. Okay, go. Hey! Let me dash swim. Yes. Hey, and voila. And Mario just swims off. So that was behind the scenes of how I make my Mario Maker levels. It's pretty neat, right? So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Hope you have a great time. And if you like the video, please like it. And let's go.